Now we are going to see exercise 5.1 problem number 1. Plot the following points in the coordinate system and identify the quadrants P of minus 7, 6, Q of 7, minus 2, R of minus 6, minus 7, S of 3, 5 and T of 3, 9. So, இதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்க points coordinates. இது வந்து எந்த குவாட்ரண்ட்டில் லை ஆகுது அப்படின்றத நம்ம ஃபைன் பண்ணி அந்த இடத்துல இந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸை நம்ம பிளாட் பண்ண போகிறோம். Now we can see a graph. I just draw the graph using a sketch, but you don't use a sketch or a pen in your graph note. You just use only pencil, including writing the scale and marking the points, as well as you have to mention anything. Don't use pen in your graph note. You just use only a pencil. In the first question, the first point is minus 7, 6. So minus 7, 6 is lies in the second quadrant. So minus 7 in the x-axis and 6 in the y-axis. So here we can see minus 7 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the y-axis. So the meeting point is minus 7, 6. So you just join those two lines and mark the point as P and write the coordinate as minus 7, 6. So that's all. Then the next point is Q of 7, minus 2. So Q of 7, minus 2 is 7 is a positive integer and minus 2 is a negative integer. It lies in the y-axis. So the point is 7, minus 2. So here put the point as Q of 7, minus 2. Then the third one, R of minus 6, minus 7. So here minus 6 in the x-axis and minus 7 in the y-axis. So here we can see minus 6, minus 7. So minus 7 in the y-axis. So the point is R of minus 6, minus 7. Then the fourth point is 3, 9. So 3, 9 is both are positive. So both lies in the first quadrant. So 3, 9 in the y-axis. So you just join the points 3 in the x-axis and 9 from the y-axis. So the point is T of 3, 9. And again the another one point is 3, 5. So you can see here you have the point 3 and 5 is in the y-axis. So 3, 5. So this is your point S 3, 5. So now we plot all the points P of minus 7, 6 and Q of 7, minus 2, R of minus 6, minus 7, S of 3, 5 and T of 3, 9. So this is your problem number 1 in exercise 5.1. Next question number 2. Write down the aphaxia and the ordinate of the following from figure 5.11. So first one is P, second one is Q, third one is R and fourth one is S. So the figure is given. So you can, in this easily you can write the coordinates. First you have to write the coordinates here. So in the x-axis the point is minus 4 and the y-axis the point is 4. The point P is minus 4, 4 and the point S is minus 5, 3. So minus 5, 3 and the point Q is 3, 3. So the point Q is 3, 3 and the point R is 4, minus 2. we doesn't write minus 2 comma 4 because you have to write the x coordinate first. Afterwards you have to write the y coordinate. So 4 comma minus 2. Then you have to know about what is aphasia and what is ordinate. For any point P on the x-axis, the value of y coordinate ordinate is 0, that is P of x, 0. So, இப்போ நம்ம x லந்து ஒரு point எடுக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? So, x லந்து இந்த point எடுக்கும்போது y வந்து 0வா இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம இங்கே தான் அதை மார்க் பண்ணுவோம். So, 1, 0 இதோட வேல்யூ என்னன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா நம்மளுக்கு 1, 0 இதோட கோஆர்டினேட். ஸோ அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா இதை தான் நம்ம ஆர்டினேட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ ஃபார் எனி பாயிண்ட் q on the y axis, the value of x coordinate, that is aphasia, is 0, that is q of 0, y. ஸோ இப்போ இங்கே சூஸ் பண்ணும்போது இப்போ இந்த 2ன்ற பாயிண்ட் எடுத்தோன்னா இதுக்கு நம்ம கோஆர்டினேட் எழுதணும் அப்படின்னா எப்படி எழுதுவோம்னா 0, 2 அப்படின்னு எழுதுவோம். இதுக்கு 0, 1, இது 0, 3, இது 0, 4. ஸோ இப்போ இதுதான் இதோட அஃபெக்சியா. எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸில் எழுதணும்னா இது இதோட ஆர்டினேட். ஸோ ஃப்ரம் திஸ் we can write the solution. The problem belongs to page number 192. You can see the figure in this. So the first one P is minus 4, 4. So minus 4 is aphexia and 4 is the ordinate. And in second subdivision Q is 3, 3. 3 is aphexia and 3 is the ordinate. And third subdivision R is 4, minus 2. So 4 is the aphexia and minus 2 is the ordinate. Then fourth subdivision S is minus 5, minus 3. So minus 5 is aphexia and minus 3 is ordinate. So problem number 3, plot the following points in the coordinate plane and join them. What is your conclusion about the resulting figure? So first subdivision minus 5, 3, minus 1, 3, 0, 3, 5, 3. So as usual graphல நம்ம இந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ்லாம் வந்து பிளாட் பண்ண போகிறோம். பிளாட் பண்ணிவிட்டு நம்மளுக்கு ரிசல்ட்டிங் ஃபிகர் என்ன ஷேப்பில் வருது அப்படின்றத ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் நான் இங்கே போடுவேன். இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் உங்களோட ஹோம்ஒர்க். ஸோ சேம் ஆஸ் ஃபோர்த் கொஷின், first two subdivisions. So plot the following points in the coordinate plane, join them in order. What type of geometrical shape is formed? So remaining 3 problems is your homework. So now we are going to do third problem, first subdivision. The first point is minus 5, 3. So minus 5 in the x-axis and 3 is in the y-axis. So you can get minus 5, 3. So this is the point minus 5, 3. You just erase the line because after you finish the 4 points, you have to join that 4 points and you have to find what type of figure you have to get. So the next point is minus 1, 3. So minus 1, 3. So here you have minus 1. So minus 1, 3 is here. So you just name the point as A and B is minus 1, 3. I hope you are all understand how I am plotting the points. So this is B of minus 1, 3. Then the third point is 0, 3. So now only we see 0, 3. So 0 is in the x-axis and 3 is in the y-axis. So this is the point C of 0, 3. And the fourth point is 5, 3. So 5 is in the x-axis and 3 is in the y-axis. So here the point D of 5, 3. So that's all. If you join all these points, point A, B, C and D, you get a straight line. So you have to write the solution as straight line parallel to x-axis. So that's it, because you get a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. So this is the solution of third problem, first subdivision. So similarly, you have to do for third problem, second subdivision, as well as problem number 4. So thank you students. Up to this, exercise 5.1 is over. I hope you all are understand the concept of coordinate, aphasia, then how to plot the points in the graph, that is Cartesian plane.